Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to Musings of Manu, and today's video is going to be a story time, a short story time. I visited an art gallery, I always do, and I was here for a book exchange session. Decided to come for it because very rarely such events happen, and I love to exchange ideas, thoughts, some lovely notes from strangers, and my books. So I packed all the piles of my books and gave it to the coordinator, and she gave me a token of 8 books, and I decided to pick up pre-loved books, 8 of them. And we had 1000 pre-loved books from different genres, fiction, non-fiction, philosophy, Indian fiction, international fiction, also many more genres. And I decided to come for the session because I love books, and not just books, I also love the feeling of having books. So I started picking up my books, and as you guys know, I have so many videos on a book called Thousand Splendid Suns. I love this book with all my heart, as I've said this so many times in my videos. So I had a copy of Thousand Splendid Suns, and I gave it to a friend of mine. Ever since then, she never returned it. So I decided that this time I will be getting a new copy, and I got a whole new copy from a stranger with a note on it, and I immediately picked it up. And as soon as I picked it up, I realized a girl was eyeing and she was constantly looking at me. I was like, oh no, because she absolutely looked interested in that book, and she came close to me and also her friend. Then that friend came to me and he was like, okay, so we can see that yellow book. Also, not, he didn't say the name of the book. He was like, we can see the yellow book you have, and we would love to have it if you would like to swap it. Are you here to swap that book, or you just got it from the exchange? So I told them, no, I got it from the exchange, and I want to take it home. But then he suddenly said that, my girlfriend has a birthday today, so if you could give that to her. And I was like, let me think about it. And then immediately something within me said that I am getting the opportunity to do something good, so definitely I should give it a shot. I smiled and I gave that book to them, but they were very happy. Immediately filled my heart with a lot of warmth, and I was like, finally, I did something good. So it was worth it. Was it worth it? Yes, I think it was worth it. Actually, there were too many copies of different genres and classics. There were many copies of Sense and Sensibility from Jane Austen, and other books from John Green. But there was just one copy of A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini, and I didn't want to give it to anyone. I loved it myself, and I wanted to keep a copy for myself. But when she said that, and she had that puppy eyes, and I was like, I have to give that book to her. And the moment I gave gave that book to them, they were so happy, and I was filled with joy after giving it to them, and I wished her a very happy birthday, and she said thank you for the gift. So it was a lovely interaction today, and I did something good. I made someone smile. That matters more to me. So yeah, thank you for listening to my story time. That was it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.